in the pious family or in the rich family, there is chance of degradation. But one who takes his birth in a family of yogi, devotee, he has got better chance for cultivating the same spiritual culture from which in his past lives he had fallen. Therefore Krishna says, Etad hi dullabhatara. This is very rare, that a man gets his birth, a parent, a yogi. This is very rare.
জয় বলদেব, সুভদ্রা মহারানী, জগন্নাথ কি জয় জগন্নাথ। জগন্নাথ স্বামী নয়নপথগামী ভব তুমি। কি করছো?